In previously we discussed about how to make the numbers as pairs. Okay, just make them clear. If you are not clear with that, we cannot do the square root for less than 0 digits. Okay, now when we have 0.81, okay, we are going to find the square root for this one. Since we know according to the previous note, you should make pair of the 0, the integer separately. So 0 is an individual number. You can keep it as it is decimal, and after the decimal the number should be as a pair from its first. So 81 is a pair. Okay, this is the way you should write your expression. Thereafter, mm, 0 means 0 multiplied by 0, that will give you 0. Okay, then let's bring this number pair down. Okay, number pair down. If there is a decimal here, over that one also you should place your decimal. Then you should multiply 0 times 2. 0 times 2 as usual, like our normal square root function. 0 multiplied by 2, that's 0 again. Okay, 0 again, because that does not have any values. No, here there is a blank and blank. So let's fill up with possible numbers to obtain 81. 81. So 0 means nothing will change with this 0. Just neglect that one. So here it would be, since 81 is a perfect square number, 9 9 are 81, because this 0 does not have any values here. So 9 9 are 81. Remainder double 0. So finally, square root of 81, it should be 0.9. 0.9. This is the way you should find the square root for less than 0 digits. Very easy. Okay, now let's find for 80, 85 point. No, wait. Yeah, 85.124. Okay, we are going to find square root for this. So let's make them as pairs. Integral number, that is already a pair, so let's keep it as 85 point. From the beginning, 12 is a pair and 40. Okay, 4 is an individual one. Let's give a 0. So 85, the nearest perfect square number, that's 81. So 9
9.
9s are 81. Remainder 4. Now here there's a decimal. So let's place the decimal. Let's bring this 12 down. So hereafter you should multiply 9 by 2. That would be 18. Here is a blank and blank. Let's fill them. Mostly it would be 2. Okay, 2. So that means 364. Let's subtract this 8, and here it's
So
48. Now let's bring next pair of number down. Next pair of number down. So thereafter, let's multiply 92 into 2. It's 184. Then here blank, here also blank. Yeah. Again also it's 2. That's 2 again. 2 times 2 times. So it's 3684. So there is a remainder. Mm, let's find that remainder. So 9.22. This is the square root value for 85.124. So if we have
oh,
0.0000144. Okay, let's see how to do this question. So let's make them as pair. So this is a pair, this is another pair, this is another pair. 0 is a lonely one. 0.00 and 0144. First of all, it's 0 into 0, 0. Decimal, let's bring this 0. Okay, 0 times 2, it's 0 again. To make a 0, here also 0 and 0. Again, double 0. Okay, now let's bring this number. It's 0, 1. So double zero multiplied with 2, again that's double zero as well. Here is a blank, here is a blank. To obtain number 1, to obtain number 1 should be 1. 1 times 1. Just neglect the zeros. 1 ones are 1. Okay, 1 ones are 1. Remainder 0. Now let's bring last pair down. It's 44. So you should multiply this total number by 2. What is this total number? It's just 1. Okay. When we neglect these 0 digits, just it's 1. 1 times 2, it's 2. Here is a blank and here is a blank. To obtain 44 as our answer, 22 should be multiplied by 2. That will give you 44. Finally, it's 0. So what's the square root for this total number? 0.000144. Its answer would be 0.012. 0.012. Be clear with the zeros. Don't make it as a complicated one. When you deal with zeros, keep it clear and neglect the zeros which is located before the integers because that does not hold any values. No, they are after just calculation.